Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Windows 10 or 11 and the latest OneDrive app. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you use two-step verification, complete it now so sync won't pause. Once signed in, choose whether to back up your desktop, documents, and pictures, or limit sync to selected folders, because that choice controls disk usage and bandwidth. Make sure to set network limits if you have a metered connection, and then move on to configuring selective sync, so OneDrive only stores what you need. You now configure how OneDrive mirrors files. Open OneDrive settings, go to Account, and click Choose Folders to control what syncs locally. Turn on Files on Demand so placeholders save disk space while keeping files accessible. Then enable Folder Backup to automatically protect desktop, documents, and pictures. This keeps your files safe without manual copying. Once done, check the OneDrive icon for a steady syncing status and confirm conflicted files are resolved. Rename or merge as needed, because consistent naming prevents duplicate uploads and confusion. To finish, organize synced files into folders and use Share to send links with view or edit permissions, because links avoid large attachments. Make sure the OneDrive icon shows a green tick for synced files or blue arrows while syncing. If something goes wrong, try a quick restart of OneDrive. If that fails, you can reset the client with the reset command. This preserves cloud files while rebuilding the local cache. Finally, confirm selective sync settings again, and test by editing a file on another device to ensure two-way sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.